Space heaters are strip-type silicon heaters mounted at the bottom of the frame under the coils to prevent condensation in the motor during times that the motor is not energized. Shaft grounding provisions help eliminate shaft currents induced into the motor through upstream controllers, such as adjustable speed drives. These currents lead to premature failure of the bearings, commonly referred to as fluting. Shaft grounding rings are available on motor frames 140 to 505. In addition, the opposite drive end bearing should be insulated on motor frames 440 and larger. Shaft grounding brushes are available on frames 140 to 5800. When a shaft grounding system is requested, our preferred device is a shaft grounding brush. A total of 3 thermistors are embedded in the windings, 1 per phase. These temperature-sensitive devices have a resistance that increases with increasing temperature. A separate remote mount relay is required for the thermistors to trip. We can provide the relay as an option. Our standard offering of thermostats is a normally closed, bimetallic, temperature-actuated element embedded in the stator winding or laced onto the winding end turns when provided as a stock modification. This device is provided as standard on all explosion-proof motors. A temperature detector with a known temperature resistance characteristic is installed in the stator slots. The standard is 2 per phase, and the leads are wired to terminal strips in a cast iron auxiliary conduit box. The standard offering is 100 ohm platinum. Copper and nickel are also available upon request. As an option, we also offer bearing RTDs. These are the same temperature detectors as stator RTDs, but located in both bearings. Our standard offering is 1 RTD per bearing,